Hello, Ty. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to create this. All right, cool. My computer isn't crying anymore, but thank you so much for giving us your opportunity to create this. This is the website analysis and evaluation that we promised. Without any further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. First of all, the first impressions on this website that I'm looking at is it's very, very good. The color theme works. The little logo here, it looks like some work has gone into this. I like the yellow theme. I really do. It makes for a very nice look and it doesn't throw people off because sometimes yellow can be associated with caution, but here it looks a little bit different and well used, and I like it. I like the color theme. But one thing I would say is sometimes there's a little bit of a thing as too much, right? We really recommend a lot of the companies that we work with, and every single company that we've been working with, we recommend using the space on the website very well. But, of course, you can use something a little bit too much. So I would say personally that if I was going on the website on desktop, which I'm sure a lot of people are because it's a service that people are searching for and want to find out more information than just on their phone, it just looks too big and too expansive. But that's just my preference. But it's not something that you need to change. But it is something that if you were to change, I think more people would appreciate and tone it down. There's a lot of content which I absolutely love. And one thing I noticed straight away was that there was a blog page and you're actually posting on it. Looks like once or twice a year at this point. Look, you always want to be posting more, especially in the middle of a pandemic, or not pandemic specifically, but in the middle of a situation in the world where people will be on the internet more. You do want to be posting more because that does help rank much higher in the Google searches. But overall, very good website. On the service page, I think, yeah, you do have the little services. It's very nice. The map is nice. I think you should add reviews, which I don't think I saw. Oh, I don't think I don't think I saw any reviews on here of like customers or testimonials. That's always important, especially when you're in a big service where people want trust. All right, Ty. I'd also recommend moving this number. I don't know if you can see it because my face is there, but this number, maybe just to the middle or to this little spot right here. It's always nice. Oh, that was in the home page, but it's always nice to have a number. View map. That's amazing. Not exactly sure if people would be wanting to visit you before they try and call. So look, it's always about a funnel, and when people see this, they see the services. I'm actually interested on the services page. There's a lot of content, and that's something that I absolutely can look at and say it's nice. But let's move on into the more in-depth stuff. Like I said, the website, not much could change, just the usage of space. Sometimes too big, too much can be a little bit overachieving it, and that's always not good because Google likes average over anything else, over above average. It's kind of weird. Did that sound good? I think it did. But you do have a lot of work that looks like has been going into the SEO side of things. And that's something that we always want to appreciate. First of all, it looks like you're getting traffic right now, and it looks like you have referring domains and organic keywords, and that's very good. That tells me that there's been work that's gone into the SEO side of things. Roof repair, for example, is a keyword that you're very good at. But one thing I do want to show is the referring domains and a little bit more information about that. Alright, so referring domains are basically when Google just links to your website. That's it. Or not Google. Another website links to your website. I'm just using Google as an example because Google is still a website as well as a search engine. But when another website links to your website and people click on it, they are being referred to your website. It's almost like when you ask your friend, hey man, where'd you get these shoes from? And they say, oh, Bullington or Macy's. And then you go in your head, okay, that's where I can get those shoes from. So that's when another website is like, oh, here's where you can find this. So Google uses that and is like, oh, so this website is getting recommended. So we must show it to more people because it's getting recommended. And also, organic keywords is when someone searches something into Google, for example, roof, and therefore they'll get results like roofing in Pueblo, Denver, Colorado Springs, Golden, Colorado, I don't know, roofing anywhere you can find it. But like I said, that's what referring domains are. And you do have quite a few of these, a lot of these actually. Mainly 61 of them that I'm actually looking at, because there's a few .orgs and .nets which aren't really important, but .coms you have a lot. Some of these are the sames, and that's always not bad. It just means that Google will use it as a good thing. But some of these aren't even that high quality though. That's what I'm looking at and seeing it as. Like, for example, website worth spot. I'm guessing this is a website where you can check out website worth, and it just has your website like it has a billion other websites, right? So that's just how it is, isn't it? So there's some of these pages like Roofing Magazino, which is probably not like a legit roofing page with high quality content, and that's exactly what I thought. You can probably just post your own content on this. You just create a blog. So it's very important to have those, but at the same time, you want a lot more high quality domains. You want these types of big, like maybe a news outlet, I don't know. But it's very important to have very good referring domains. Organic keywords on the other side, it looks like a lot of work has gone into this. I'm actually very happy that you're ranking first for your business name. It means that people are searching for your business name, but not only that, you're ranking first. There's so many companies we've seen and worked with that they weren't ranking first for their business name. For example, LV Quicktoe is a company that we've been working with, getting them higher and higher in their rankings, and they weren't ranking for their own business name. And we used the process, which I'll explain later, but we've been working with them, took them from way down in the searches. I think this was like 35, like a month and a half ago, but then a month ago from now it was 19th, and we took them to 12th in the rankings in Google. So when people are searching towing Las Vegas, they're showing up very high there. And it's just a process we're using, but they weren't ranking for their business name. So I'm very happy and thankful to see you ranking so high for your business name. And it looks like this entire page is just your business name. Advanced exterior reviews, etc. Another thing is people are searching advanced exterior reviews. Maybe add a review page on your website. That's always something that won't hurt. If people are searching for it, just add advanced exteriors reviews. Right. That would, or testimonials. Right. Add a review. If people are clicking on this, add a separate page completely for your reviews. That would mean that people are coming to your website, staying on your website, and reading reviews about your website. That's the best thing for any business, actually. You're getting rankings for some things that I'm not exactly sure about, like GAF, 3.0, not some over the top keywords. But what I'm not seeing a lot of is roofers in Denver. That's what I'm not seeing. But I do want to check where you're ranking for the top. So you're ranking first for pretty much anything to do with your name. But then this is where it gets a little bit weirder to me. It starts from exterior gutters. You're ranking 17th and above. So there's no keyword here like roofing Pueblo where people can search, or roofing Denver, and they can find you. And that's the issue. That basically means that a lot of work has gone into ranking the business, ranking the website, and people are searching for it. So Google is qualifying the website for it and putting it high up there, but not for keywords like roofers in Denver, roofing company near me, etc. Those types of keywords that people are genuinely searching for. So like I was explaining with LV Quicktoe, a process we used with our initial audit, this is the first step we do with any client that we onboard. We figure out the keywords we want them to be ranking for. In this case, there's so many of these keywords. There's Quicktoe, which is their business name. Like I said, they weren't ranking for that, but we made them make sure we ranked them for that. Towing Las Vegas, which we took them extremely high for that. And we figured out how difficult it's going to be to rank them for these keywords and how many people are going to be searching for them. And then this is where it gets a little bit more interesting and where the blog page comes into hand. We then, right, for example, if you look at blog here, we figure out the content. This was like months ago, April. It was last updated in April. So we figure out, okay, this is the content that we want on these blogs, and that's where the game starts. That's where it's more important, because at the end of the day, you want to rank for just your services pages, but you also want to rank for your blog pages. You want how to find the right roofing contractor in Denver. Why do I need a roof inspector? Are these terms that people are searching for? Maybe you figure that out. And I'm seeing some of these here, GAF prestigious. That's good, right? But are these terms that people are searching? People might be searching for something in relation to roofing, like a problem they have, and then you write about it and provide value, and then they're like, oh, this is a roofing company. Let me just call them and let me just see what I can do. That's how it is. But hopefully this helped you all, Ty. Look, it's definitely looks like a lot of work has gone into the website. But like I said, a lot of work has also gone into the SEO. But I would say that maybe not the correct amount of work or the correct amount of energy. Not exactly sure, but do appreciate you all giving us the opportunity to do this. My name has been George, and I'm out. Have a nice day.